Gaming desks bring out all the things you wish you had when you were a kid, and MMORPGs were your jam. Whether it's console, PC or VR, you need your designated space. This beautiful lineup of 15 gaming desks gives you a little bit of everything, from drink holders to designated monitor displays, adjustable heights, and cable conduits. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best gaming desks you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Arozzi Arena Gaming Desk. Don't get sticker shock just yet. You're able to hide your cable away in the management conduit, keeping everything completely free and clear while you game it up. Apart from that, you'll also be sitting pretty with zero balance or sturdiness issues, even with up to 175 pounds of equipment rocking on top. The height controller is excellent for different chair positions, but it's a pain in the rear end to get it where you want it. It's rather touchy. You know those ergonomic designs that seem to favor one side of the desk over the other? Arozzi put the cutout straight in the center, so left to your righty, you'll be able to enjoy your games uninhibited. Assembly is going to take you about half an hour, but it's all worth it. With increased surface space over many leading competitors, you'll be able to stash your triple monitor display and all the equipment that goes with it. Number 4. Need computer and writing gaming desk. Gamer dads, beware. This desk is not designed to be around the little ones, but it is made to be one of the sturdiest desks you'll ever own. You get a pressed particle board top with a glossy finish and a completely waterproof coating. Sturdy, simple to put together, and a tad bit adjustable. Even though it's not equipped with the bells and whistles that our top 2 picks threw in, you can't deny the ability to stay completely flat and not mess with your game. Apart from that, if you're going PC and not laptop, you'll have enough room to fit 3 21.5 monitors, your keyboard, and your mouse, all very comfortably. The price is a bit steep, all things considered, but we believe you get what you pay for, and in needs case, it's stability that won't quit. Number 3. Couchmaster Gaming Lapboard. Undoubtedly, the Couchmaster CYCON Gaming Lap Desk offers up the best way to play PC games. Even on a couch, an adequate gaming desk is needed. It simply takes the comfort level from 0 to 100. People who go at it for hours at a stretch will greatly benefit from the wonder that is the Couchmaster CYCON Gaming Desk. For one, it offers perfect ergonomics for anyone looking to operate a laptop from the comfort of their couch. It does this while ensuring that anyone sitting at it for hours at an end will not suffer any adverse effects. Thanks to the hefty cushions attached, the stress on the shoulder and neck muscles are greatly relieved. So, in the future, no muscle cramps or strains occur. On the other hand, it is fitted with everything needed by a die-hard gamer. Some of these are an integrated USB 3.0 hub, the latest chip technology which helps with power supply and all the mobility a gaming desk can offer. Number 2. Walker Edison Soreno Modern 3-Piece Corner Desk. Right out of the box, the Walker Edison Soreno Modern 3-Piece Corner Desk is a problem solver. The fact that it is not riddled with excessive drawers and storage spaces is what makes this a straightforward and functional option. With its simple design, it offers up an ample amount of space to get things properly done. It is basically made up of a total of 2 21-inch deep rectangular desktops as well as a quarter-circle-shaped desktop. Additionally, it is fitted with a CPU stand and a handy sliding keyboard tray. The choice of which side of the desk to position the tray is completely in the hands of the user. For its overall makeup, it has beveled tempered safety glass in conjunction with powder-coated steel legs. All in all, this offers up all the space needed to either work or play hard. Best believe that all the features present on this piece of furniture are tailored towards making the gaming experience more wholesome. Number 1. Ameriwood Home Dakota L-shaped desk. There is no doubt that the manufacturers of the Ameriwood Home Dakota L-shaped desk sought to make a multi-functional piece of furniture. Whether it is for an office or gaming space, this L-shaped desk fits right in. It offers up enough space to act comfortably in both capacities if the need arises. In addition to the space made available for computers and office supplies, it happens to be equipped with 2 open shelves on the side. The storage possibilities are endless when it comes to this piece of furniture. Besides, being highly practical and functional, it just looks great. It is made of some high-quality black, wood-grain laminated particle board and MDF which helps it blend in any given environment. To crown it all up, it is a perfect fit unless your room has no cozy corners to offer. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.